In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center title in Google Sheets spreadsheet. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll point out what to look for so you feel confident doing this on your own. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. At the top right, you'll see the Google Apps grid icon, sometimes called the waffle. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From there, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have Sheets open, that's great. Just continue from there. Once Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet where you want the title centered. Make sure the sheet you plan to print is active. Now, look to the top menu bar and click File. In the File menu, choose Print. This opens the Print Preview screen, which is where we'll set up a centered title that appears in the printed version or in a PDF export. On the right side of the Print Preview, find the section labeled Headers and Footers. Click that to expand additional options. Next, choose Edit Custom Fields. This opens a layout showing header areas for left, center, and right positions. Click directly in the center header area where it says, Click to add text. This is where your title will go. Type your title exactly how you want it to appear. Keep it concise and clear, so it looks clean across the top of each printed page. If your title is long, consider using a short descriptive phrase that's easy to read at a glance. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization here, because this title will repeat on every printed page of your spreadsheet. When you're happy with the wording, click Confirm. This applies your centered title to the header. You should see the change reflected in the print preview, so take a quick look at the top of the page to make sure it's aligned and positioned the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, you can return to Edit Custom Fields and adjust the text. When everything looks good, click Next. This moves you forward in the print process with your centered title saved. From here, you can proceed with printing or exporting to PDF, and your title will appear centered at the top of each page. That's it. You've centered a title in Google Sheets using the print header, which is perfect for polished printouts and PDFs. If you plan to share the document digitally as a PDF, this approach ensures your title stays consistent and professional across every page.